Today I'm going to give you my top 5 tips for how to get started with affiliate marketing today. So stay tuned. Affiliate marketing is one of the best online business models. You don't need a ton of capital to get started. In fact, you don't need any to get started. It's super scalable and you don't have to create the products. All you have to do is market other people's products and then you get a percentage of those commissions. So here are my top 5 steps for how to get started in affiliate marketing. Number 1, you have to pick a niche. A niche is like a category of business. There are tons of different niches out there. Sports, travel, fitness, make money online. There's so many to choose from. The best way to pick a niche is to figure out what you're interested in. If you're a bodybuilder, then you should try to pursue something like fitness because you know a lot about it. If you're a programmer or you like to build computers, then maybe you should get into tech. Do a quick Google search and look up all the different niches that are out there. This will help you to determine what you should focus your efforts on. Number 2 is pick a traffic source. A traffic source is a utility that you're going to use to get people to come to your website or your landing page or your channel. There are lots of different traffic sources out there. If you're interested in SEO and keyword research, then you can create a blog, especially if you like writing. Blogs are a great way to attract a ton of visitors, and then you can direct them to different links and different articles and eventually end up selling them affiliate products. You can create tons of different social channels like a Facebook page, LinkedIn page, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. All of these social channels allow you to drive traffic. When you're first starting out, you want to pick one solid traffic source, one that you can rely on and one that you can produce results with. I would advise you to pick one that you're familiar with, or one that you'd be willing to learn more about. For me, I prefer to do Google search ads and YouTube ads. I like being on video, and I understand Google and use it every day. It's something that interests me. I like to stray away from Facebook because Facebook has a lot of compliance issues that you have to deal with, and Facebook pages don't get as much organic reach anymore. If you want faster results, then you probably want to go with paid ads, but you have to know what you're doing with your targeting. Otherwise, you're going to waste a lot of money. If you prefer the long game with a routine that is going to get you free results from just putting in a lot of work, then you can go with the SEO and keyword research route with blogging. Same with YouTube. Most people don't think YouTube is a search engine, but in a lot of ways it is. YouTube is actually the second biggest search engine aside from Google. Pick one traffic source, master it, and then own it, and use it to your advantage. Number 3 is pick offers. You should pick 1 to 2 offers. You shouldn't pick a ton of different offers, and you should make sure they're for your niche. If you're in a fitness niche, you don't want to be selling something that's a make money online product unless you think that that target audience would be interested in that. There are so many different companies, brands, and products out there that you can promote. You can go to affiliate network websites like ClickBank, and then you can go to CPA websites like MaxBounty to find a ton of different offers that you can promote. All the big companies like Amazon, Walmart, Home Depot, they all use affiliate marketing. Do your research, look up products within your niche, and then learn how to promote those products. You want to pick products that you know something about or you would be willing to learn a lot more about. Don't pick products that you don't stand for or that go against your morals or ethical code. Affiliate marketing is all about your reputation. You need people to trust you in order to buy from you. If you end up promoting a product to somebody and then that product devalues that person's life in some way, they're not going to trust you anymore. Your brand is going to lack credibility and you're going to have a hard time selling to new customers. Find 1 to 2 offers that you can confidently sell and then focus on those. When you're starting out, it's really easy to get sidetracked and find new products and want to sell them, especially when you're not succeeding when you first start out, which is very, very common. Stick with it, don't give up, and learn all the strategies you need to put in place to make that offer work. Also, make sure you're finding offers and products that are going to make you enough return on investment. If your product is $7 but you spend $40 to promote it and there are no upsells, then you're losing money, which isn't good. That's why a lot of affiliate marketers like to promote what are called high-ticket products. High-ticket offers are higher priced and they usually have upsells, which means that after the person buys the first product, they're willing to buy more products, which means you can make more money from the lifetime value of that customer, which is good. I would highly recommend looking into high-ticket affiliate marketing. Number 4, find a mentor or a guide. Let's face it, starting a business and succeeding on your own is really hard. If you've ever tried it before, you know how difficult it is to juggle all the tasks, and you don't even know what you should be prioritizing on. And if you get lost, you're stuck by yourself and you don't know how to get out of it. I personally have gotten a mentor and multiple different guides and courses to help me learn the best ways to approach how to succeed in affiliate marketing and other business models. In order to start succeeding in generating sales, I had to learn how to set up ads, who to market to, what offers are good and which are bad, how to brand myself, how to not make claims in ad copy and email copy, how to apply to affiliate networks. There's so much out there that it's really hard to manage it all. But with a mentor, you can organize your thoughts, organize your goals, and you can get somewhere much, much faster, which everybody wants. If you stay to the end of this video, I have an amazing offer for you that you won't be able to pass up. It's the offer of a lifetime that will help you accelerate your journey to making money online. Number 5. Develop a rewarding routine. So what do I mean by that? A lot of people have routines. Some of them involve working out, some of them involve eating a bag of potato chips every day. If you eat a bag of potato chips every day and you do it for a week, maybe you'll feel, a little sick, but it won't really hurt you that long term. But if you do that for an entire year, it could be catastrophic, especially if you're not getting other nutrients. If you work out every day, you'll get a lot of benefits and you'll feel great, and you'll start to build on that, and eventually you'll get stronger and stronger, and you'll get healthier and healthier, which is amazing. The same goes with business. If you ever look at the top entrepreneurs, they're in good shape, they're really sharp-minded, they're very quick on their feet, and they don't mess with the wrong crowds or the wrong activities. Successful entrepreneurs wake up at a similar time every single day, very consistently. They have a great diet, which keeps them healthy and energized throughout the day. They have positive relationships with their friends and family, so they have the right attitude. They're constantly trying to improve themselves by reading self-help books, working out, eating healthy, and trying to learn as much as they can. And they do the same things every day that will help them achieve their goal. If your goal is to generate sales through ads, you're not going to set up your ad one time and then not tweak it over time. You have to tweak it, add new keywords, add new audiences, split test, change your product, change your copy, change your website, change your offer, change the way your messaging is, create a new funnel. All these different things are things that you have to do as an entrepreneur in the online space. So you have to have a set amount of things that you do every day that help you reach that goal. For me, that's recording a YouTube video, that's translating that into a podcast, posting that on LinkedIn, and then using that content to repurpose in a blog, tweaking my ads, and then tweaking my funnel. That might sound like way too much work, but it's actually not that hard. Key is to repurpose things. Repurpose everything you can in your routine. If you create one category of content, let's say you're talking about affiliate marketing like I am in this video, use that in different places. If you make one video that's 10 minutes long on affiliate marketing, cut that into 12, 20, 30 pieces, or have somebody else do it that's a friend or somebody you hire. And then they'll cut that into pieces and put it on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, LinkedIn. That way you're not reinventing the wheel every time you go to a different platform to post. Make sure you set your alarm at a consistent time. Document all your different routines and see which ones are working and which ones aren't. Start reading self-help guides to figure out what the best nutrition is for you to stay productive. And learn productivity hacks. There are so many things that can distract us in modern day society just on our phone alone. So we have to learn how to be productive when we have the time during the day. So those are my 5 steps for beginners on how to get started with affiliate marketing. If you follow those 5 steps and you're consistent, you will have an amazing routine, a great business model, an amazing funnel with great offers, and a mentor that is really happy with your progress. You will have a thriving business in no time. Now that you finally made it to the end of this video, I have a special offer for you. What if I told you that I have the #1 training on the market that will help you start a business from scratch that can make you 6 to 7 figures online? You could have a mentor. You could have the best courses. You could have a network of like-minded entrepreneurs right there at your fingertips, so you could ask them any question at any time, and you could start your business and get it off the ground fast as lightning. Wouldn't that just be amazing? Well, it is amazing. I do have that offer for you. If you go to drewbusinessaccelerator.com/freedom, you can sign up to get my free ebook with the whole guide on how to start an affiliate marketing business and an online business and succeed. And then I will direct you to the #1 training on the market that has all the courses, mentorship, and networking that you will ever need to make all the money in the world. This is an offer that you can't pass up unless you're insane. Trust me, I've done it. I've generated sales with affiliate marketing from what I learned in this program. I love it. It absolutely has been a game changer for me. I've learned how to be more productive, better with my relationships, and how to generate sales with a working business model. If you want to learn how to be the complete entrepreneur and succeed online while making 6 to 7 figures, then go to drewbusinessaccelerator.com/freedom. I'll put the link in my description. I hope you like this content. Please hit that like button. Also subscribe to me for more content like this. I'll be releasing content on a daily basis. Thank you so much for listening. Peace out. Hey, thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. If you liked the content in this video and want to see more videos like this, please click the subscribe button. Make sure to click the little bell icon and turn on all notifications so when I come out with new content, you'll be notified.